Hello and welcome to Hot Commodities with me Manisha today. Let's go to rubber now, where the prices are trading at a record highs in the international markets. And the Indian markets prices actually have gained 4.7% this week, and Indian government today has cut the import duty to 7.5% from 20%. What that means for the prices, let's ask Anand James, Chief Analyst, Geojit Comtrade, who joins us on the phone line from Kochi. Anand, hi, welcome to the show. How are you looking at the rubber prices, and what does the government cutting import duty mean? Do you think you would see higher imports because of that?
Yeah, obviously, the reduction in rate cut has come at a time when international prices are rolling at least 5% higher. So obviously, this cut is not expected to cause an immediate impact. But what is important is, when the lean season starts in April, there is a point wherein the lower import duty, fresh import duty would be reinstated at levels whichever is lower of 20% or 20 rupees. Now, considering these present levels, we might see the lower import duty than present if that 20% or lower of 20 rupees is going to be reinstated after April. So that is what is significant as far as yesterday's announcement is concerned. So no immediate impact is expected. But what that largely means is we are going to see international prices at a premium, continued premium, because this announcement has brought India as a dominant buyer if prices are going to continue. Prices are going to be conducive.
Sure.
From a very short-term perspective, prices are expected to take a short dip, especially the last 2 days' rise has been primarily due to holiday thin participation. Volumes have been quite thin. So we might see some selling in at the 213 levels in January futures, because it has gone up way too far too soon when you compare with spot prices, which is trading at a discount of almost 5 to 7 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
But and then in the 1 to 2 weeks time, we might see 220 levels in Jan futures.
Sure. Anand, just one more thing on the import part really, because some traders that we spoke to tell us that in the international markets prices are at 222 rupees, in the Indian markets it's at 207 rupees. So imports may not be really viable for the near term. What's your view on that?
Yeah, very much. I do agree with that. That is, international prices are almost 5% higher. So obviously it is not going to be viable. The only important aspect is the second part of the announcement, that is the lower import duty that is going to be reinstated after April. That is what is going to be more important. But as such, I don't see any imports happening. Obviously, there is also a cap of 40,000 until March 31st. So obviously, this is not going to be valid at all.
All right, Anand, let you go at that. So near term might see some profit taking in prices, but going ahead, the support would continue in case of rubber because the demand is high. The supply deficit, of course, continues in the Indian and international markets there. So that is wrap on this segment of Hot Commodities. Thank you for watching.